In today's world, budgeting combines old and new methods. Setting clear goals is the first step to successful budgeting. The envelope system helps control spending in each category. Having a budget in place is crucial if you want to achieve financial freedom and stability. When it comes to sticking to a budget, people often struggle with unexpected expenses. Another issue people face is the feeling of deprivation that can come with budgeting. In addition to these struggles, a lot of people just don't know where to start. But here's the thing, budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. So, how do you make budgeting easy and effective? First, you need to track your expenses. One of my favorite budgeting strategies is the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This simple rule helps create a balanced approach to managing your money, ensuring you're covering all your bases. Modern technology has made budgeting easier than ever. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can track your spending, set goals, and stay on top of your finances. I want to share a personal story about how budgeting changed my life. A few years ago, I was drowning in debt and living paycheck to paycheck. The stress was overwhelming, and I felt like I had no control over my financial future. But once I committed to creating and sticking to a budget, everything changed. It wasn't easy at first, but gradually, I gained control over my finances and started achieving my goals. So to recap, the key to making budgeting easy is to track your expenses. Track your expenses. Track your expenses. By living on a budget, you can achieve financial stability, reduce stress, and create a better future for yourself.